What a heavenly, beautiful, and tasty sandwich. So yummy and healthy. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's get started. So, this is toasted bread and avocado with salt, pepper, and lemon. Some baby spinach leaves and tomato and boiled corn. So, let's spread some avocado on the toasted bread, a generous amount for a buttery taste. We are not adding any sauces. Let's make it very healthy. So I will only add avocado. This sandwich tastes really good and you can have it for evening snacks, breakfast or even lunch. Add some boiled corn. It gives it a juicy flavor, a lot of it, as much as you want, as much as it can hold. Some tomatoes for a tangy and a juicy flavor again, and then lots of baby spinach leaves. You can add lettuce as well. So spinach is bland in taste, so it does not matter how much you add, it tastes like lettuce, even better than that. So it's healthy, you can add as much as you want, and just put the bread and press it, and it is ready. You don't need to add any sauce. It is very tasty. You can even add some oregano if you want. So try and enjoy. Thanks for watching.